Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your Windows 11 search history from your Windows 11 operating system. So for that you just need to click on the search icon and search for settings app here, and once you see settings app, just click on the settings app, and once settings app opens you just need to click on privacy and security option. And then when you scroll down you will be able to see search permissions. So I'm going to click on search permissions, and when you scroll down here you will be able to see the history section here. So in order to clear the device search history, you can click on clear device search history option. So I'm going to click on this, which is going to clear the search device history. And if you want to disable the search history, then you can just toggle this toggle button. Okay, so click on the clear search history and then just toggle this toggle button to off. So once you do that, you will not see any search history when you click on this search icon. So when I click on the search icon here, generally you will see search history if you enable this search history option, but if you have cleared all the history you will not see any search history here in the search options, right? So this is how you can clear your search history and disable your search history. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.